Okay, I'm back and I'm going to demonstrate how to emboss a sheet of metal with something as fine as crepe paper. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to give my metal this texture to it. So in the first part, I heated my copper. You can see the color changes that copper takes under heat, and dried the metal after I quenched it in water. Now I'm going to roll it through this rolling mill, and I can adjust the tension of the mill with this upper dial here. So I have it preset to the thickness that I want, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer. You can do this many ways. I've seen people take softened metal and put it between two hard sheets. So long as you're not putting steel on steel, that it can damage your rollers. But even that, mild steel is soft enough. This is tool steel, so it can take a lot. Most people don't know that. This here crepe paper, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the textured side and I'm going to place it face down against my copper. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this through the mill, and really you want it to be done with one pass. So I'm going to make it extra tight here. You get one shot on this. So I'm going to pull this, and you'll know because the moment you start to pull that, there's a, I'll show you here this, large lever here. As soon as you pull that, you'll feel tension. If it's too much tension, back out on the dial. If it's not enough, this is where you would tighten it before making that pass. So it's a little tight. And now I'm ready. So I am going to, this is really snug, and you really shouldn't use all of your body weight like me, but I really want a good imprint. Where is a man when you need him? So maybe a little bit lighter would have been good. However, I will get a nice imprint with that. Okay, whew, there's my workout. So now, before I show you the metal, which is great, I'm gonna show you the paper, how it really just smoothed it. Now there's nothing left. Now, if you look at the metal, you can see it left an imprint of the crepe paper. And now I'm gonna use that to fabricate the tops of my blue mushroom that I'm making. All right, I hope you enjoyed.